Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your app library on your Amazon Fire TV. And there's a couple of ways that we can do this. Now, the first way, we want to go on over to the search icon, find, and then go down and go to the App Store. Then when we select this, we want to go down to App Library right here. And we can see all installed on this TV or not installed right here. So if we delete an application at one point, we can go to this section and we can find it very easily. Now if we go to installed on this TV and we scroll through this list, we can find all our applications. Then we can press the button with the 3 lines on it and we can go to more options and go to more info if we want to go ahead and read about this application and get it back onto our Fire Stick, etc. Now another way that we can find the App Store is if we're on the home screen, we can scroll on over to this section right here. And we can find the App Store here. Otherwise, we can go down and we can go to My Apps and we can see all our applications. And you can drag an application up to the top. So if I want to go to App Store, press the button with the 3 lines on it, and I can move this to front now. And it will be on the top here, and I can easily get back to this at any point in the future. And I'm going to move it right next to Netflix. And this will be right here now whenever I want to go ahead and choose it. Otherwise, you can hold down the home button on your remote, open up the side menu, go to apps right here, and it'll bring you to that shortcut screen that I was at before. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. Leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.